news is very, very important in whatever you want to do with trading. You need to know what is happening to gold, like what is happening in Ghana.
We are continuing our series on types of assets and using the PolariumBroker platform. And today we are going into commodities. Before we go into the tick of the action, my name is Kolade Daniel, and with me is Shola. And we'll be doing justice to what commodities are and how they can be a type of asset for trading. So can you just give us a brief overview of what commodities are and how traders, new and existing, can use them on the PolariumBroker platform?
Commodities are products. They are products that countries, individuals buy every day.
Yeah.
Like oil, like gold, like silver, like food items. All of them are commodities.
Yeah.
And with what we have on PolariumBroker.
Yeah, so how do we get to where commodities?
Yeah, that's very simple. We'll just come to, you can see this plus. You
Yeah.
see that open new assets.
Mhm.
When we click open new assets, as we did the other time, before we go to options, then we scroll down here, we see commodities right here.
Yeah.
Then on commodities, we can see, you will notice that we only have 4 here because they are the most active in the business world right now. Gold, silver, crude oil, WTI, that is for West Texas Intermediate, and crude oil Brent. That is like that. Brent is what we produce from Nigeria and most of the sub-Saharan Africa that have crude oil. So these are the commodities that are available on PolariumBroker because they are the most active right now.
Yeah. So in terms of, how volatile and, and stuff like that, what can we say about commodities when it comes to trading?
Well, news is very, very important in whatever you want to do with trading. You need to know what is happening to gold. You need to know what is happening to, what is happening in Ghana. They are one of the highest extractors of gold, and they have large gold deposits. You need to know if there is a problem with their exploration and everything. If there is one problem or the other with major players of gold in the world, you should know that it will impact gold price for that period.
Yeah, so using gold now as a case study, can you just explain what these values here mean from a trading standpoint?
Well, from the trading standpoint, this is only tell us that, okay, you decide that your gold will go up, then you pick a stop loss and you take profit that if you get to this particular price, it should just end the trade for you at a profit. But if it goes in another direction and you don't like, once it gets to this price, just stop the trade for me. That is basically how it was. It's very, very easy. It limits your losses instead of you losing everything. It's allow you can put your stop loss at maybe like 10% of your total trade value. So knowing that if you lose up to 10%, it will take it off for you.
So is there a time limit or a particular time frame that one must work with? Or
well, there is no time limit with this. It will just wait for it to hit those 2 points, either the positive one or the negative one, depending on your decision. If you say gold will come down, and if it's going up, then once it gets to that take profit that you set, it will close the trade automatically.
Yeah. Oh, nice. So basically, we can do this same thing for gold, for silver, for crude oil,
for
wheat and the likes of that.
yes, you can do for all of them. This is on Brent. You can do for Brent also. It's basically same process.
Awesome. And just on a final note, PolariumBroker actually has over 20 plus commodities, for you to pick from. There are only 4 showing right there because these are the most actively traded ones for now, and that is why you are seeing those 4 on your screen. But there are tons of commodities that you can pick from, and just like we said for currency pairs, make sure you are updated with the news. Make sure you know what is happening, as this would always guide you in any decision you want to make. Either you want to go up or go down, as we have been saying. And don't forget to always do your due diligence before you place any trade. By the end of this video now, you should already know whether commodities trading is something that you would like to delve into, and now that you already have more information about it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you've not done that already, so that you don't miss out on future information. Once again, my name is Kolade Daniel, and I've got Shola here with me. Until we come your way next time, we'll be discussing the types of assets and why you should choose which particular one. Make sure you don't miss out.
Thank you.